Hey there guys, welcome back. Let's have a look in the data type supported by Python. See, we have learned about these data types. We have seen list and tuple in the sequential data type. The next sequential data type is set. Let's see the properties of set. Set is an unordered collection of data type that is iterable. Set is mutable. We cannot store duplicate elements in set. Set does not support indexing, that is, the order of elements in a set is undefined. Set can contain heterogeneous records. Let's see this in code. I'll make a new folder inside Python 11_set. Now making a new file a.py. Elements of set are written inside curly brackets. So making a set x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and print type of x and print x. Now running a.py. See, x is of type set. Okay. Now making a new example b.py. In many cases in actual programming, we need to define the empty variables of certain specific types. Like, for example, we have to create an empty list or set for storing the visited elements in a tree. So let's see how to make an empty set. X is equal to opening and closing curly brackets. We saw that we use curly brackets to initialize set. So print type of x. Just confirming it is set or not, okay? And running b.py. Oh, we are getting class Dict. So what is Dict data type? Let's refer to the list of data types. Look, here Dict is also mentioned. Means there is a data type named Dict. But why its type is printed when we are making an empty set? Because both set and Dict are written inside curly brackets. There is a major difference between set and Dict, but empty curly brackets represents Dict. Okay, Dict means dictionary. We'll learn about dictionary in future lectures. Okay. So how can we make an empty set? I think you know the answer. A common thing we have seen in all the data types from int to tuple. Guess what? The type conversion function. We have seen these functions for each data type. For set, there is a set function. We can create an empty set from this function, okay? So x is equal to set. And let's print the value of x also. So print x. And now running b.py. See, now we are getting class set and an empty set is printed. Okay. Now new example c.py. Let x is equal to 12 true 32 plus 3j and string. And print type of x and print x. Here we have heterogeneous records in the set. So let's see is it valid or not. Running c.py. Okay, we are getting class set and set is printed. So heterogeneous records are allowed in set. Okay. Now making new example d.py. Here we have set x is equal to 21, 200, 13, 4 and 5. Print x. So let's run. Look, our set was 21, 200, 13, 4 and 5. And what we are getting? Some random order. Okay. So set does not maintain the insertion order, you see. And also heterogeneous records are allowed in set. Okay. Now making new example e.py. So here we have x is equal to and print. Here we have each element 2 times. So let's see, running e.py. Look, we are getting only single record for each element. Okay. So set does not allow duplicate records. And this is the most important property of set, which is used mainly for hashing. Okay. That makes the set important. So we saw that set does not maintain the insertion order. So how can it recognize its elements by the index? Hence, indexing is also not possible. Let's see. Making new example f.py. We have the set x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and print x of 0. So here we should get error in line number 3. So let's see, running f.py. See, we are getting type error. Set object does not support indexing. We can't fetch the elements of set by indexing. Okay, and now because indexing is not possible, another feature of iterables, which is the advance of indexing, is also not possible. That feature is slicing. So let's see. New example g.py. Suppose we have the set and we want the elements from 2 to 4. That is 2, 3 and 4. So we will write x of 1:4 and we'll print this. And running g.py. See, we are getting the type error. Set object is not subscriptable. Subscript means indexing syntax. So our set is not valid data type for subscripting or indexing. Okay, so the properties of set that we saw today are: heterogeneous records are allowed in set. Set does not maintain the insertion order. Duplicate records are not allowed in set. And indexing is not possible in set, and hence slicing. So that was all for today. We'll see more features in the next lecture. Thank you.